Hello students, today I am with a new video. In that you all have demanded that how you can create a PowerPoint presentation in MS Office. Yes, we can go for it. You can see here one application of Office. I will just click on it. So here we are having the option of plus. In that we will go with the documents, and you have here the option of many of the things over here. Choose the picture for the photo album. Yes, you can go with the photo album for choose picture. So I'll just click on it and I can select the pictures. Some of the pictures I will select it, and yes, I've done it. You can see over here that it is turned to a photo album. Yes, I will just show you as a slideshow. Uh, you can see here. I'll just move it and move it. Okay, so this is about the pictures. Okay, now we are having another option that I'm just coming out of it. I'm clicking on plus, going to documents, and in that blank presentation. Yes, you can go for the blank presentation. You can also go by the template. First I will go by creating template. Okay, so yes, there are many templates available over there that you can use it, you can utilize it. Okay, like I've selected this template and click on it, so it has been created. Okay, now the next one, that is the main part which we all are doing. Sorry, I came out of it. Documents, in that blank presentation. Yes, you can see a blank presentation is over here. In that you have at the first the option of layouts. In that you can select any of the layout, like I will go with the blank layout. You can see with that there are many options, like here the comments are there, right? I don't want for the comment, sorry, I don't want the comment. I will go with the table if I want to go with the table, right? So that also you can do. I'll just click on undo because I want to show you all the options which are available. Okay, now inserting pictures. Yes, you can insert the pictures from your whatever you have it over here. Yes, you can insert the pictures. You can click on done. You are also having the option of crop. You want to do editing over there. Yes, you can do it. I'll click on done. You can see the picture is available now. Okay, now the next thing which we can see, that is about the shapes. Yes, you can insert the shapes also. There are many shapes available in which you can write the text. Okay, and you can apply it. Like I will select any of the shape. Okay, you can see that I have applied the shape, and as I will apply it, you can see over here many of the options are coming, like the color. I want to select the color like this. You can see now. Okay, even the borders, the outlining I don't want this one. I can change the outline. Okay, even there is an option of no outlines, more colors, no fill. Okay, next is the alignment. I want center. I want in center, so I will write it in center. I can increase the size of it. I can go for the bold. You can see here the options of increasing the size. Yes, and now I will write here. Hello students. Sorry. Hello students, I've written, right? So you can see over here that many of the things are available. Okay, next you can go with this is about the shape which we have done. We can go for the new slide also. For the new slide, you have the plus sign in the right side. You can just go for it. You can select the layout as you wish. You want to take any of the layout, yes, you can go for it. Okay, here we have the option of text. We can go with the text box also. This is for the text box. Okay, so I don't want the text box because already I have the layout according to it. I'll just write it here. Presentation as a title. Okay, as I will write the presentation as a title, here I have the option of doing the formatting, right? I can go for the formatting. You can see in the shape also we have different styles. I want to go with the color, right? I mean, I want to go with the different fill colors. I can change it. I can go with the outline. Okay, so this is about it. Yes, you can see here many of the options. Size and position. You want to change the size, you can change the size of it. Okay, so this is about the shapes. Now we will go with the next. In that, as I told you about inserting the picture, click on the picture, and I've done it. That thing already I've shown you. Okay, now what about the next thing? Here you can see many of the options like design, transition. Yes, you can give the transition effect. See here, I'm just giving the transition effect. Fade. See, morph I am giving. Okay, I've given morph. Apply effect option. Smoothly or through black. I want to go smoothly with that. Okay, now I will just show you the preview of it. We'll go again to the slideshow from the beginning. Okay, I'll just go for the another way. Okay, uh, transition. We'll go again for the transition effect. Okay, which one we will apply? So, white. Okay, apply to all. I've applied. Here also we have many options clockwise. Apply to all I've done. Now again we will see the slideshow. You can see the slideshow. It is running like a clock. It is looking good. Okay, so this is about the transitions. Now, yes, the another question was related to table. So how you can insert a table? You can see here the table option and the third one. So I will just select it. By default it will take 3 columns, 3 rows. Yes, you can go for editing. You can select this area and you can select it. Let me complete that thing. Here you can do the editing, like I want to write the name, I want to give the heading. Okay, then I want to give the okay. And if you have the voice typing, then it will make it more easy for you all. Yes, by the voice typing it was very easy. If you want to see my video of voice typing, you can see it. It will be easy for you if you have subscribed it, so you can see the notifications, and even you can see my videos, all the videos which you have like it or you want to see for friends. You can see I've done. Okay, now I want to change the font, right? So what I will do, I will select the table. I'll click on the table. I'll go with the font in the home tab. You can see here. I'll just select the font. I'll select the size. Okay, you can see that the size is changed. Again I will move. Okay, so this way you can do the changes, okay, in the table. Even we have many options. As you will select the table, right, you just see that when I click on the I'll just click on the table. Yes, I've clicked on the table. In that I want to select the area from where I want to insert a column. You can know about the column, that column is vertical and row is horizontal. Okay, so yes, I'm going to the left. You can see on the left side now I have a row. Okay, now I don't want it to that thing, so I can click on undo. and again I want to insert it. I will go by the right. You can see by the right I have selected. Next you can go for the row also. This was for the column, now we are going for the row. Above, I have shown you above. Now the next, below. Okay, so this way you can do the changes for the table. Even you can delete it. Okay, if you want to delete any column, yes, select it, it will be deleted. Select that area, select the row, it will be deleted. If you want to delete the table, yes, you can delete the table also. Okay, so this way you can do the changes. Next is about the style options. I'll just select the table. You can go for different styles, like you want this at the bottom also, right? You can see that it is at the bottom also, right? I want to remove it. See, I've removed from here. I've removed from the top row. Now it is blank. Okay, now I want to go for the shading. Different shading styles, it is given here only, so you can take any of the style which you like it. Okay, you can go for it. You can see different styles are given. Okay, it depends on you how you want it, your table. Okay, next is about arranging. If you want to arrange it back or anything like that, you want to auto fit that thing, so auto fit it will be done. Okay, so this is about all about the table, right? And then we are also having another option, that is we will go for the plus sign, and we have here the option of insert. In that you can insert the text box, videos, pictures. Okay, so this is how you can do this all things. Hope you all have understand, right? Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.